Welcome everyone to my new price prediction video presentation for Celestia cryptocurrency, one of a kind that is again looking for dominating the space, having a good time on the volume side, pushing basically towards great percentages. Let's discover what's happening. Why is it so again 15-16% upwards in the past 24 hours? It just breaks out day by day and it's not finding that selling pressure a lot of the cryptocurrencies are having. Let's see what is exactly the reason for that. As well, before we get into the topic, make sure to check out the one-on-one coaching program for those of you that are serious about the business and would like to become traders. This is a live coaching with me where intensively we'll learn how to trade, transform any person into a professional trader, from the most beginners ones towards the advanced and so on basically. I'm going to talk about this at the end of the call. By the way, you can have a free conversation with me to inform yourself about the topic, including the ability to join my done-for-you trading, no prior fee, only commission from the profits made. We have the ChatGPT bot helping us trade. So, Celestia, right there, 1 hour candlesticks. What's going on with this? Now, the situation is quite straightforward, guys. We've been able to enjoy ourselves after confirming above, breaking the trending line of resistance. This was very dangerous, because if you would have been rejected right there, and I'll take out the moving averages for a moment. So if you would have been rejected on the line, the outcome of such rejection when you were so squeezed right here with the low that has been printed out with a double bottom structure, you would have lost that, and probably the market would have easily continued down to sort of a way, this was the target, basically slightly below the $4. That's the low that, the guys that were shorting, we would have hunted, right? So they would have hunted that $4 mark, and probably around this new encircled area would have been bouncing back. Now, this situation has been excluded by breaking out positively and healthy and finding support above the line. This is very important. So we retested and found support above the line, pushed basically 2.618 Fibonacci, which is something that appears after a breakout is a very bullish sign. It's a very, very bullish sign, guys. So when you have a trending line that is at least on 2 or 3 confirmations, then the breakout appears, and then you go above the extension of 2.618 or any front number with a 0.618 mark, and retrace from there again between 2.414 and 2.72 is basically the perfect scenario of an impulse towards continuation. The continuation might be the issue. But the whole picture is basically portraying towards bullishness, and this is exactly what we have been facing in the past 24 hours. These 2 long candlesticks that have been pushed is basically the consequence of what has happened from here to that push, retracement, triple confirmation, and almost reversed head and shoulder pattern. That basically obviously has the right wing higher than the left wing. It's basically this way, right? This is the way we have it over there. If you consider checking that out, simply there is a reversed head and shoulder pattern appearing. Take a look at that. So left wing, and then the right wing. Right wing always must end higher than left wing, which is allowing us basically on any retracement to print a higher low compared to the neck, head, and the other neck, shoulder, and that kind of low group of lows ability, right? So you push higher and then you continue basically forcing for a breakout. This is the natural and organic outcome. Now obviously these things can be easily ruined by BTC, easily ruined by the way the whole market might react to external news and such things, which is always something that we need to consider. We also want to see how the stock markets are doing through, and the US dollar. What's happening with the moving averages? Well, moving averages held us, especially 100 days, 50 days, 200 days. They all done their right times and performed very well during the moments we're challenged. This is important. People need to understand the fact that if you get challenged, you need to react during the times you get challenged. And Celestia was a crypto of 100 days moving average testing. Let me share with you that. Take a look at that in the back. This is a 100 days moving average. It's basically the light blue. 100 days moving average has been tested and we have continued to pump. 100 days moving average has been tested and we continue to pump. So you clearly see that it correlates and communicates very well with this specific moving average. What we tested here, the 100 days moving average. It was the 200 days very, very near to us. We also printed the pattern on reverse head and shoulder, and things have looked very, very tradable and bullish as an approach. So nothing to be fearful or scared about on Celestia right now. Breaking the top would be the easiest thing to do. As soon as we get into that, it is a price discovery area, and we're going to put out a video of a price prediction for 2024, a series of videos with price prediction for 2004 for a lot of the cryptocurrencies. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and follow me for more materials. If you have any other question, let me know in the comments area. And just like I said, for those of you that are serious about this business and would like to prepare your weapons for the upcoming bull run to take the most out of it, get the proper education on the field. Find out more about it. All the resources can be found in the description area and comments area. Scrembocoaching.com for private education, including our done-for-you trading based on commission or prior fee with our ChatGPT bot. That's pretty much all on the topic. Have a good time, folks. We'll talk to you soon.